Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can get zero ping on Fortnite on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I am right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. Here in the right, you're gonna find your game library. And basically guys, right here, you're gonna find the list that includes all of your installed games and applications. If you go right here to the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And right here in the top, you're gonna find all of these sections. Here you're gonna find games, media. Right here, you're gonna find search, settings. And lastly, right here, you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, right now, if you want to make your ping better, all you need to do guys is go to your settings, and then once you do that, right here you're gonna find all of your settings. Here you're gonna find network, accessibility, users and accounts, family and parental controls, and so on. Go ahead and click on network, and then once you do that, you're gonna be here in this page. So basically guys, once you're here, you're gonna find your connection status, and here you're gonna find settings. First of all, go ahead and click on connection status and make sure you test your internet connection. Click on start test, and then make sure everything is alright right here. Make sure the status for everything is successful. As you can see guys, everything is successful right here. And right now go back, go to settings, and then click on setup internet connection. Search for your network, then go ahead and click on option, and then click on advanced settings and change your DNS settings to this one. Go ahead and first of all make sure you choose manual, and then go ahead and choose in primary DNS 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS 8.8.4.4. This will improve your ping a lot because this is basically the DNS server for Google. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.